find the derivative of y is equal to cosine cube x. So, kunin muna natin yung inner term. So, ang inner term natin ay cosine x. And then, yung outer term natin is this one, cube. So, as a whole, yan ay u cube. So, yung value ng u is cosine x. So, again, chain rule. dy over dx is equal to dy over du. Multiply natin sa du over dx. So, ano ba yung ating dy over du? So, ito yung this one. U cube. So, pag i-derive natin yan, magiging 3u squared. So, paano nangyari yun? So, i-multiply ito. 3 times 1 equals 3u. And then, i-minus natin ang exponents sa 1. So, 3 minus 1. So, ito na tayo. Ibig sabihin, ang dy over dx ay 3u squared. And then, paano naman yung du over dx? Ito yon, yung cosine x. So, pag titingnan natin yung derivative rules, ang derivative ng cosine x ay negative sign. Okay, ito yon. Kaya, ang du over dx natin ay negative sign. Okay, so ibalik na natin yung original value ng u. Yun ay ang cosine x. Meron tayong dito, cosine squared x. At i-multiply natin sa negative sine x. Okay. So, kung i-multiply natin yan, pag-isama lang. Negative 3 cosine squared x times negative sine x is equal to, ito yung final derivative. Yan ay magiging negative 3 cosine squared x sine x. Ayan.